So after getting everything cleaned out in the backyard, see I got a nice yard. So I got my post up. My goal is to get my metal to build my gates, and then I'll start working on the rest of the backyard. And we also gonna remove this tree. So I got plans on contacting someone soon, hopefully within, the next few months or so, and getting this removed. It's not hurting anything now, but we're gonna get it removed. And I want to build some type of little deck or something around this tree. So we want to utilize this one and be able to utilize the backyard with the grandbabies, and when family come by, we can build a little deck, a little spot back here where we can come out here and chill and be in our own world. So our plans is to use the existing fence line, which is this one, and we're going to put a privacy fence all the way around it from here, there, all the way around here. So that way when we come back here, we can chill with our family and we can do our things, and we ain't got to worry about nobody, watching what we doing, you know what I mean? But I would rather spend my time and my money on working on my home, getting things together, building my foundation and my structure, than worried about how I look or what I'm riding in, something that's going to depreciate as soon as you drive it off the lot or as soon as you purchase it. Think about that, family. Hold on.